ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, Shubhodaya. Hello everyone, greetings for the day and welcome to our Kannada learning journey. This is Divya and you are watching Trendbrain. If you're a new member to our Trendbrain family, please click on the subscription button and also click on the bell notification so you don't miss out any such opportunity to see our next video lesson. Today is a day wherein we would be learning about the daily Kannada conversation. So we have many of the children or parents who are learning Kannada and they are beginners. To help them converse better, we're going to do this lesson and that's the intention of this lesson. So let's get started with the lesson.